Welcome, future selves. If you're watching this, we actually finished our chemistry project. Shocking.
It is very shocking.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be... first off, we have to introduce ourselves. My name is Brian Vargas. This is Mikey, and this is Jimmy Crespin.
Hello. Alright, I'll be the cameraman, so you probably won't see me in a long time.
Okay, so he's behind the camera right now.
That's Mikey.
Okay, we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so first thing that we're going to need is 2 sticks of butter. You have to make sure that the butter is soft and malleable, otherwise the cookies won't come out right. Okay, so soft butter. Next, 3/4 of brown sugar, 3/4 of regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 1/4 cups of flour, and a lot of chocolate chips. You don't even really need to measure them. Okay.
We need a big bowl, spatula, 1 teaspoon, 2nd teaspoon, a fork, a sifter, 2 eggs, and a small bowl. Okay, so first what we need to start off is the 2 sticks of butter, and you unwrap them both and you put them into the bowl. That's 1. You unwrap the 2nd, and that's 2. Then you whip them with the spatula. Make sure you whip them very well.
Okay, moving on.
Okay, now that we're done whipping it, we're gonna get the 2 types of sugars. First, you use the white one, and you pour it all in. And then you whip it. Make sure you whip it very well. Next, you need the brown sugar. You pour it all in.
You have to mix it really well. It should all be relatively the same color. See how it's starting to get kind of a uniform color? Next, we're going to beat the eggs in a bowl.
Brian, what is that?
It's a bowl. It's the wrong bowl, Mikey. You got the wrong bowl. Gosh, Mikey. Gonna get a manlier bowl because making cookies is so much manlier than other activities.
Exactly. Okay, next you get the eggs. Mix it. Make sure you mix it very well.
Who says making cookies isn't manly? Okay, so Jimmy right now is just mixing the eggs again. We already cleaned up the shells. Okay, so go ahead and pour that into the batter. Just pour it in there. Okay, so you want to, again, get all the butter and the sugar
Doesn't that look
from
good?
the sides.
Oh, I just want to eat that right now.
Yeah, actually you don't. It's actually like bad.
Make sure you don't leave nothing on the sides.
Yeah.
I believe it's you don't leave anything, Jen.
I'm
Jimmy.
sorry.
Well, this is a chemistry
You
class.
bad grammar, and we can't have that here.
This is a chemistry class. We really don't
This
care.
is a no grammar house.
Real quick, I'm just going to add the vanilla in there. Vanilla gives the cookies just a little bit of taste, you know. It's just. Next, we're gonna take the flour and the sifter.
You
Not all at once.
You don't want it all at once, but you do want to pour in.
Not that much. Okay, stop. Okay, so see what I'm doing here is I'm getting all the flour out. Really, what you're doing here is you're just making the flour finer, which is a physical change for you chemistry fans out there. Mr. Y. Okay, so would you pour some more of that in there? So you have to start stirring it slower because it's getting pretty messy, right? Now it's starting to look like cookie dough, right?
Next, we use the baking soda. The reason we use baking soda is because it just helps the cookies bake.
Okay. So now that we're done with that, we're ready for the final and the best ingredient in my opinion. And you know what the best part about being a cook is? Just You get to eat your own ingredients. Yeah.
Do you want some, Mikey?
I think you should get some. So we're taking this to the fridge right now because we want the dough to really solidify. Because if you try to make the cookies right now, then it'll be really messy and it's just really difficult to kind of get the actual shape of the cookie in the oven. Okay, so what you will need for this, 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we're going to start by just taking about that much dough for each cookie. Okay, so I'm just going to make 9 for now. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so now we're going to take them over to the oven, which has been preset to 375 degrees, so it's very hot. Put them on the top rack. Put them so that they actually sit. And then we will set a timer for 11 minutes. As this is happening, you can see that the heat is radiating to the cookies around them. So that's what's baking them.
It's radiation.
It's radiation, that's the chemical aspect of it. And now we wait.
The fun part.
We get to take the cookies out.
Yes.
Okay, so fire safety here. Winnie the Pooh, our friend, helping us out.
He's the sweetest son.
Okay, so see the cookies in there? Yeah, they look good. Okay, so now we're going to get to the real best part, and that is to eat the cookies. Okay, so now we are going to eat the cookies, and why don't we... Oh, wait, I forgot the most important ingredient. Milk.
Fresh from the cow.
That was inappropriate, Mikey.
It's not right, genuine.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Grab your milk. Alright. Alright.
We're eating them.
Dig in.
So, hope you had fun today. I know I did. Yeah, pretty sure that's it. I'm Mikey, this is Jimmy, and that's Brian. Toodaloo.
Highlight of the day.
Now, what starts with the letter C? Cookie starts with C. Let's think of other things that starts with C. Who cares about the other things? C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C. Oh, C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C. Hey, you know what? A round cookie with one bite out of it looks like a C. A round donut with one bite out of it also looks like a C. But it is not as good as a cookie. Or the moon sometimes looks like a C, but you can't eat that. So, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Yeah, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C. Yeah! Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C. Oh boy! Cookie, cookie, cookie starts with C.